Um, okay, I've taken up the baton of trying to address this really tricky problem because we've seen so much in both the scientific media and the popular media in the past few years, and I think everybody is rather confused about this issue of saturated fat. Have we got it wrong? Well, I won't give you the answer to that at the beginning. Let's see where we get to by the time I finish. But I think, when I started to look at what is actually happening on social media, on the internet, certainly the majority of people blogging on this topic definitely think we've got it wrong. Not only have we got it wrong, but that saturated fat is actually good for you in some cases and why you should eat more, why it doesn't cause coronary heart disease, for example. In the media in the past few years as well, we've had quite a lot of media reports of expert views, some of which are also implying that experts have changed their minds on saturated fat. So there's supposed evidence that saturated fat has increased our risk of heart disease, and that the belief that saturated fats clog up arteries is a myth. In fact, these three quotes were all taken from one expert who's quite a well-known person who does speak quite vocally on this issue. We do try as well, as scientists who've been working in the field for 30 or 40 years, we do try to also make our comments, but sometimes we find it quite hard to find our responses represented with the same sort of level of passion and perhaps vehemence.